Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoin YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about Bitcoin. Will Bitcoin first hit $60,000, or are we going to see Bitcoin hit $100,000? Let's talk about it. As the crypto market has been absolutely struggling, the question comes, are we going to see reversals in the market, or are we going to see continuation of the market's dump? As the days go on, we're seeing more and more tariffs being introduced. Now we're seeing China getting 104% tariff, and 104% is trending on X. China is trending on X. Things are getting crazy. And if these trade wars continue, what can we expect from the markets? Let's take a look. Today we're going to do a deep dive on the market, and we're going to make this more altcoin / Bitcoin specific. We made a ton of meme coin videos on this channel, but bear with us. I think this is really important to understand what's going on in the market, to apply this then to our meme coin mania. Okay, let's talk about it. Also, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you download Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best crypto wallet, anonymous Bitcoin wallets. Best Wallet is the best crypto wallet without verification, ID, or KYC required. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet now. Available on both Google Play as well as the Apple App Store. It's also running an airdrop campaign, guys, which you should totally take advantage of. Trusted by users worldwide. But again, the airdrop campaign going on, so you get a nice little way to get some free money. So definitely check it out. But we're talking about Bitcoin. We're talking about crypto. What's going on in the market? First and foremost, we're seeing Bitcoin down another 4% on the day. On the week, we're down 10%. We did make up for some massive dips. We've seen Bitcoin prices go as low as 74,000 over here, and then we've seen it touch 74,000 over here, or no, 75,000 as well, and it kind of rebounded. Looks like the 74 to 75 zone seems to be a key bottom. On the month, we're down about 5%. On the year, it's still up 7%. And the question comes, is it going to hit 60,000 first, or is it going to hit 100K? In my opinion, I believe we're going to rebound back to 100K. These charts are looking eerily similar to what we saw last bull run. We saw Bitcoin reach all-time highs and then pull back before reaching all-time highs again. And we're seeing this exact same setup happen over here, which goes to show that looks like this is probably going to be close to all-time high. We might push to 110 max this bull run. But again, this is looking like what happened here. A bottom before we pumped off again. And exactly, if history is repeating itself, it's exactly how it's looking. We also have taken for during last year, or last bull run, I should say, we had the pandemic issue. Now we seem to be in the middle of a trade war. So again, the market situations are propping up for uncertainty, which is something we saw last bull run as well. In terms of the entire crypto market, we're down about 2% on the day. In terms of the volume, down nearly 16%. Fear and greed index at 15, extreme fear. And then altcoin season is still 16 out of 100. Dominance still remains heavily on Bitcoin. So it's interesting. We see fear and greed index signals extreme fear amid US-China trade wars. If these trade wars continue, we can imagine crypto to continue dipping. But also, during financial crises, people do like to diversify and invest in different assets. So let me show you guys a couple of tweets. China seems to be dumping 760 billion of US treasuries. They're also buying Bitcoin per Max Kessler. Supply shock incoming. Just in. White House says additional 104% tariffs on China went into effect today at noon. Breaking news, Binance now allows users to buy Bitcoin and crypto with Apple Pay. And then we say you prepare for this, 2020, 2025, eerily similar. Kind of like what I showed you guys in the charts over here. Things look like they're propping up in the right direction. And then we see the bear trap is almost over. Again, looks like this could have been a small correction period before reversals. An interesting thing is, guys, whether we do see this trade wars continue or it fizzles out, regardless of the fact, it's going to be both. It's going to be both will be good. The reason for that is if they do go into trade wars, essentially it's going to cause chaos in the market. And during times of uncertainty, people like to diversify and put their money in things like gold and Bitcoin. On the flip side, if the war goes away or they reduce tariffs or they remove them completely, it causes a positive effect in the market, which could also be good because more money in the market. Looks like Michael Saylor's buying more Bitcoin as well. Just in, over 1.5 trillion wiped out of the US stock market today. Bitcoin hash rates are hitting all-time highs. We see BitBuy CEO says China's tariff retaliations will drive a wave, capital flow to Bitcoin. So things could be crazy, guys. Again, every single time before Bitcoin hits higher prices, it does take some lower or hits up to 40%. So things are looking quite normal. We're hoping to see some reversal soon across the board in the markets. And again, guys, if you want to stay tuned with the daily latest and greatest crypto news, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out. Like always, guys, obviously none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. And that wraps up the video. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Peace.